Yo, yo, good morning. How we doing? Hold on. How we doing today? It's about to be a crazy day. That CPI, that's gonna be something. I also swung this HTCR with Dumpster. I didn't go as heavy on this one. I only bought 100 shares. I forget what the stock was yesterday, but I did 500 shares of that one. But yeah, this one only 100 shares. See what we can get. But it looks like it's doing good so far. Anyways, yeah, we got CPI today. Today is going to be insane. So as of now, we can look for some possible setups. I can just guarantee you that 95% of them are going to invalidate from CPI. There's a few things I do want to talk about. First one, obviously NQ. So NQ, it looks like it's kind of bear flagging right here. It finally broke below that 4-hour head and shoulders that I talked about in the videos. So hopefully you guys do watch those midweek market updates, because we talked about QQQ and NASDAQ having this 4-hour head and shoulders. Broke below the neckline yesterday. It was also squeezing, and now it's breaking below. Squeeze is looking to fire down, and we're in a bear flag. So the biggest thing right now is kind of just waiting for this CPI to see how we react. That's what it was, AUVI. Yeah. That thing was insane. And low-key, I want to learn about the whole penny land thing, because I've done equity trading in the past. It interests me. It's just now I have enough capital to where I can make like serious money off of equity trading. Because equity trading, you got to have a lot more money up front. And back in the day when I was doing it, I didn't have the capital that I have now. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be looking into that. Anyways, let's see, what is squeezing? Start by looking at the priority week. 8:30. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We already got 120 people in here and 36 likes. So y'all need to run up the likes if you guys do want the watch list today. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna look for some setups, see what we can find, but I feel like most of it is probably gonna invalidate. Remember, we talked about AMD, we talked about NVIDIA, and I think the chips are gonna get hit pretty hard. Intel came out a couple of days ago, Intel came out and said that they are expecting a pretty bad quarter, and I also believe AMD did the same thing. That's why we saw this spike down yesterday. But if this doesn't break below the pre-market low, I will be very interested in that for puts. AMD, good morning. Amazon, that broke below a key level yesterday. We talked about that as well. 4-hour squeeze, a bunch of divergence on the 4-hour. On the stochastic, it was giving a bunch of sell signals. That broke below support, and now it's all the way down at 116. So honestly, if CPI is bad, I like it below 116. Amazon. Yeah, how'd everybody do yesterday? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. Put it in the chat. Also, type in the chat, what do you think CPI is going to be? I think I'm going to guesstimate 8.7%. Let me know what you guys think down in the chat. Am I selling any puts? No. Made 400 yesterday. Good job. Good job with Tesla. Yeah. Over that 735. I actually ended up putting that on my watch list. I just never traded it. What is this? GME. I don't care about GME. Type the percentages that you think Yeah, 8.4%, 8.5%. The thing is with CPI, you got to remember that they're delayed. It's giving you the previous month's CPI. Let's see, HAL, don't care about. IBM, don't care about. McDonald's, don't care about. NVIDIA. $180. 9%, 8.5%, 9.3%. NVIDIA. I think there's one economist who has been absolutely killing the expectations. And I think he came out with like 8.5%. We shall see. BV don't care about. SQ, that broke down yesterday, finally broke the trend line. Squeeze fired down for all the people who were complaining at Nate and giving him crap. Sucks to suck. Maybe SQ. Maybe. I don't know exactly who he works for. I just saw it pop up on my Twitter. Exxon holding above 100. I don't care about it. Let's see. All right, day trade list. We got 5 minutes. So again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 160 people in here and only 70 likes. Y'all need to run it up to 150 likes if you want the watch list. Apple broke that trend line as well. And that daily squeeze looking to fire down. Sheesh. Of course. Let's see, we looked at AMD, we looked at Amazon, I don't trade Baba, we looked at Coin, Meta. Facebook's actually coming up. 83, we do have that daily squeeze, broke the trend line yesterday. Honestly, I'd like to see this thing continue to go down. No, so gas here just hit $5 a gallon. We're gonna see that in the next CPI. We're not gonna see it in this CPI. Remember, CPI is delayed. So gas has gone back up. We're gonna see it either next CPI or the following CPI. Anyways, there's Meta. And then let's see, Microsoft. Looks like all those squeezes fired down. Huh, you're funny. We looked at NVIDIA. Apparently there's a bunch of squeezes on QQQ. QQQ. 529 in PA, good God. I knew there was a reason I didn't like PA. Good job. Love to hear it. Or not hear it. Love to read it, I should say. $7.17. That's a possibility, but that's all right. We got the list. If gas was $7 here, I would not be driving. That's insane. Anyways, so what I like: AMD, Amazon, Coin, NVIDIA, Meta, QQQ, Tesla. We can also look at SPY. That 400 is going to be very important. There we go. Be interested to see what happens there. But yeah, now it's waiting for CPI. What happens? Looks like we're seeing a nice little rally. Not rally, but like a little pump before CPI. Again, make sure you guys are clicking the like button. We got 190 people in here and only 90 likes, meaning 100 of you have not clicked that like button. Remember, just like yesterday, if you did not click the like button, me and everybody who did click the like button, we're going to find you, we're going to come to your house, and we're going to click the like button for you. So unless you want all of us showing up at your house, click the like button. Thank you. $6 in Denver, my God. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute till CPI. I already forgot the number I said. Hold on, I put it in Team Bull. Where is it? .7% is what I'm expecting. We shall see. Last minute expectations, put them in the chat. Put them in the chat. Your expectations. We got 20 seconds. 8.7% from me. Huh. 8.7%. Let's see. Taking 8 flat. Alrighty. We got 2 seconds. Huh. Well, I don't know the numbers yet, but oof. Oof. What are the numbers? I don't see them on Twitter yet. Hold on. I don't see the numbers yet. There they are. 8.6%. I was so close. All right, so US CPI year over year, 8.6%. Estimate 8.3%. Previous 8.3%. Let's see. Month. Hold on. There it is. US CPI month over month May, actual 1% versus 0.3%, previous 0.7%. There we go. Let's see, US CPI year over year May, 8.6% versus 8.3%. US core CPI 0.6% versus 0.6%, estimate 0.5%. US core CPI year over year 6% versus 6.2%, estimate 5.9%. Terrible. Terrible, 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 terrible. Sheesh. What a day. Only in the stock market. I love it. Alrighty. Whew. That's crazy. All right, so we got a big dump, right? This is the thing. How much? Hold on. Now, this is what we have to be careful about. I can guarantee you the futures are not green. Come on, Yahoo Finance. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 230 people up in here. Make sure to click it. Get us to 150 likes. I would like 175 likes, but if you guys want to run it up for me, would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, Yahoo Finance is not loading because I can guarantee you that the futures are not green. But this is what we need to pay attention to. When we have huge gap downs like this, or huge gap ups, this one is a significant gap down coming today. When the tick TICK. This thing that I watch all the time, I talk about it in the chat. When the tick gaps down, you can see I have my OSHIT zone. When we open up and we are negative 1,500 ticks, we are more than likely going to see, or plus 1,400 ticks, we are more than likely going to see a rally into the open or a dump into the open. So when the market opens, look at the tick. Do not chase the puts, because in order for the market to be balanced and for the market to choose a direction, the tick needs to come to zero. Until then, there is no trades. So just pay attention to that. You see, we opened up negative 1350 pip, or not pips, negative 1350 on the tick, and we rallied up into zero. So pay very, very close attention to that. Anyways, all of our setups just invalidated. I can guarantee that. What do you mean tick doesn't work right now? I watch the tick every day. How are you going to tell me the tick doesn't work right now when I use it every day? Every day. If you're saying tick doesn't work, that's probably just because you don't know how to use it. Anyways, looking at AMD, coming down to the trend line. The thing is now, I don't want to get caught buying these puts. 114. Man, that Amazon got clippity clapped. Yeah, tick on the 5 minute. Yes, I do actually have a video on the tick. Let's see, Amazon, that got destroyed. Coin destroyed. Nvidia. No, I'm not saying that QQQ and SPY are going to fill the gap back up. Just the tick is going to come up to zero before the market chooses direction. Watch it today. Market might consolidate until the tick comes back to zero, or we might see a little rally so the tick can get to zero. CPI was 8.6%. Nvidia, don't care about. Actually, if you go on my channel, there's a playlist named TTM Squeeze. I think I actually put the tick video with the TTM Squeeze one. It's titled "Market Makers Don't Want You to Know This Indicator." Something like that. But, honestly, I'm not gonna have any setups. They all broke the levels. Meta, QQQ. Best thing you can do is just trade Uncle's levels. Went right to my 293.87 support though. Gave you guys that on Saturday in that weekly watch list update. Tesla, where's that at? Yeah, John Carter actually did a very good book on how to use the tick. Highly suggest reading it. Again, make sure you guys run it up to 150 likes. We need 18 more likes. Or me and 132 other people are coming to your house. We're gonna click the like button for you. Anyways. CPI was 8.6%. Might have to look for bounce trades. Are you wrong saying that Amazon has support at 110? So that 116 level was very important because it was the monthly pivot. If it breaks below there, we are more than likely going to see, or actually it did break below there, but if it breaks below pre-market lows 114, we'll probably see 112.65. Anyways, I don't know who this guy is. I don't like this guy. $3.95. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to look for bounces today. Just gonna be a really weird day. Let's look at SPY and QQQ when it comes to the pivots. $394.57. Yeah, I personally think we see some type of bounce today. I don't have direction on the market. Yeah, but John Carter also talks about that negative 1500 plus 1500. Typically that's as low or as high as the tick will go. So if you open at negative 1500, you know, okay, this thing is more than likely going to rally back to zero. It's exactly what I'm going to look for today, actually. Might be the only thing I look for today. Well, I don't have anything, to be honest with you guys. Let's do this. SPY and QQQ, and then Pennyland with Dumpster. All of my levels invalidated. Not seeing anything I like. I will look for intraday setups. I'll look for intraday setups and prioritize SPY and QQQ. No, tick does not start at zero every day. SPY and QQQ. I'll show you guys how to use tick here in a minute. Hold on. Prioritize SPY and QQQ. Watching some penny stocks with Dumpster. Okay, so tick, right? The market typically is going to open with a positive tick or a negative tick. If the market opens, let's just say plus 1400 pips, or I keep saying pips because I've been trading a lot of Forex, plus 1400 on the tick, the market is more than likely one, going to consolidate, or two, pull back until the tick can hit zero. If the market opens negative, 1000, 1200, 1500, we're more than likely again going to consolidate or rally until the tick can hit zero, and then it's going to choose a direction. And then from there, looking at where the tick is actually hitting, you'll know, okay, are we in a bullish market as of now? Like, is it bullish or is it bearish? So if we're looking yesterday, where's all of these ticks hitting? We're staying in between 0, 600, and 800 for a majority of the day. We did not have one negative 600 or negative 800 reading from 1225 until much later in the day at 240. This is basically telling you that it's positive momentum on the tick right now. So looking for puts at this point would be kind of risky. And then you can see we got a nice little push on the tick up into 1200, and then the market kind of pulled back, did one negative 600 tick, but then a majority of it stayed above in the positives for the rest of the day. So this is letting you know momentum is high to the upside. You can also piece this together with volume speed. So is there a lot of volume? Is there a lot of negative volume? Wait, this wasn't yesterday. What day was this? That was a few days ago. But you could piece that together with volume speed. You could piece it together with ADD. There's so many market internals that you can watch throughout the day. Did I not just explain to you what the tick is? Who is this guy? And I literally just made a whole video on it. This man's gonna come in here and what? Mr. Smarty Pants here. People are funny. Here, go watch this video. There you go. People be funny. We can change the title to I'm Mr. Smarty Pants because I'm explaining the basics of the tick. Yikes. Alright, Sean, if you want to shoot me a message on Instagram, go ahead. I'll give you a call later. I'll give you a lecture. Haters, man, I love them. I'll let you stay in the stream, though. You can stay. Unlike the other guy. I didn't like that other guy. But yeah, to be honest, I don't really look at ADD too much. It's more so volume speed and the tick is what I'll look at. Huh, this guy's funny. I'll let him be, though. I will let him be. But yeah, even John Carter's book, that's a really good one too that you can read about market internals. There's a bunch more, but these are the main two that I'll look at. Sometimes I'll look at this. They also have the trend. I'll be straight up honest, I don't know how to read the trend, but I know a lot of people do like to use it. Huh. I'll just let him embarrass himself. It's okay. But yeah, my plan for today, very simple. I'm gonna see where the tick opens up at. Might look for a little bounce early in the morning. We're gonna see. And honestly, if we crack below 395.8 or 395.15, we're probably gonna go lower. QQQ below pre-market lows, we're probably gonna go lower. And then from there, honestly, I'm gonna just look for intraday setups. It's Friday, so we're gonna take it easy. I'm not gonna trade heavy at all. If anything, I'm gonna trade a lot lighter. But yeah, as always, you wanna use proper risk management. Market isn't really giving us any high probability setup, so if no setup is valid today, all you're gonna do, take the day off. Market's gonna be open on Monday, it's gonna be open on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday next week. So we can always come back next week. We can absolutely kill it. Actually, while we're sitting here, hold on. QQQ, let's look at GME. See what the memes are doing. GME clapped. AMC. Yeah, probably Penny Lamb with Dumpster. I like that 254, 255 on this. 255, take it back to Wednesday's high, 3.2, 3.83. I like it, I like it. What's up? Good morning. It was all right. Not my best week, but we move it forward. I know he's mad I didn't start trading at 8 years old. I'm sorry. Anyways, yeah, so that's gonna be my plan today. Wait for the A+ setups. And yeah, I wish everybody the best. Real quick though, in case you guys did not know, I did finally release my new trading ebook that released around a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. Sean, if you want, because you're a little hater and you think I don't know what I'm talking about, DM me on Instagram, I'll give you a free copy. But yeah, everybody else, don't DM me hating on me because I won't give you a free copy. But yeah, if you guys do want to order the book, there's that. I worked on this thing for almost a year, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback, and yeah, I wish everybody the best. Let's see. This man. But yeah, I wish everybody the best today. Use proper risk management. Don't be a hater, because the more you hate on somebody, the less successful you will be in life. But other than that, positive energy to everybody else. I love you all. Everybody kill it today. Let's make some money. If you're in the Discord, I will talk to you guys in 20 minutes. But yeah, everybody enjoy your